guys enjoy. It's only a high of 75 today. I think the weather's going to be great, so take your time. I know last year it was 95, so everyone tried to get in and get out. So I think it'll be great. We got our donuts. Also this year we have like the vinyl waterproof water bottle stickers. We have 2-inch and 3-inch ones. We have our berries dipped in chocolate from the chocolatier. I'm going to start letting everybody in. If you have buckets that need to be weighed, there's going to be a weighing station here, plus all 3 of the registers will help weigh your buckets in. If you're using our bucket.
Guys, you can buy coffee, donuts. So it started last year. Before they don't have this like a breakfast thing. Okay, you can go Cam. Yep. Because them are the one that
Buckets are here. If anybody that's just using our buckets, they can come around and grab them. Anywhere you want.
get to Cam. Good morning, mga kabayan. Good morning, everybody. Guys, this year, sabi malalaki po yung berries. Alright. Dito kami namitas na karaang taon. Okay, guys. Namitas na po tayo. Malalaki yung berries daw this year. Dahil may mga ulan-ulan July. Ayan po. Kailangan po talaga maaga dito. Need to be early here so that you can get the good stuff. Parang ma-cloudy yung aking camera. So, yan guys. Kita-kita po tayo mamaya. Okay? Pick muna ako. Mahirap na maunahan ng iba. Oh, ang laki oh. Ito. Ayan guys. Ang lalaki. Ayan guys. Oh, ang lalaki oh. Ito pa Anong oras na ba? May 6:30 na yata eh. Oh my gosh. Look at guys. Look at guys, ang lalaki ng berries. Okay, magpupuno muna ako guys. Okay guys, we filled up 4 buckets and I just got water and sandwich and a banana. So hi, and so I'm going back there to pick, and Cal is still picking. Okay. Ito na yung pwesto namin. Malapit na. So, ang dami pong berries at malalaki. So, itutour ko kayo ulit guys around. So, hindi pa po kami nag-aalmusal. So, we need to put something in our tummy. Okay, sana yung passage ko dito. Okay. May I pass? May I pass? Excuse me. Where is he at? Oh, you're here. You want your... Well, here. Put something in your stomach. Huh? You're gonna be hungry. Just eat. It will not take long. At least put something in your stomach. I have water here if you want. I did not grab your... Oh, look at this. It's so heavy. So heavy and it's already leaning on the ground. You know, at the bottom, it's not like really ripe yet, Cal. Because the sunshine doesn't go through. So guys, look at guys. Loaded. Look at guys. So nandiyan na po siya sa ground. Ayan po. So sobra pong bigat ng berries niya. Eh talaga pong tingnan niyo po. Ayan. Hindi niya po kaya. Kaya nakaganyan na siya. Okay guys, doon ko po iniwan yung mga buckets ko na puno na. So nilagyan lang po nila ng name. So ito po yung waiting area nila. So it's nice. If you want to rest and away from the sun. Okay. Pupunta po ako. I will go to where my husband is right now. He's at the inn. Okay, I've got 3 buckets here. Okay. Maraming berries pero blue siya pero it's not really that ripe yet. It needs like couple or 3 days. Ooh. Doon ako sa dulo. See guys. Bilis ng lakad ko baka mauga. So ito po yung early blue. Dito kami nag-pick noon eh. Yan po it gets ripe so easy. I mean earlier than the rest. Ooh. Looks like they really wala nang bunga oh. Yeah, this is my favorite area here but it is early blue and they picked that up a week ago and I'm gonna pass here. Ooh. There's no more. Let's pick. Okay guys, nag-CR ako. Sana ba yun? Dito naman po kami sa kabila. Nandun kami kanina. Tapos lumipat kami dito. Malapit po sa may cashier nila. Nakakagutom. Okay. Where is he at? Mahina lang po boses ko. Baka tayong marinig. Okay. I'll show you guys ng ang dami pong blue na pero alanganin pa mga 2 araw pa o 3 araw. Kasi malalaman pag maraming hinog kasi nalalaglag talaga. So ito yung east side. Okay. And then west po doon. And then north, and then south. Okay guys, itutur ko po kayo around, nag-start po ako ng kaliwa. So, hindi ko alam kung ano itong mga buckets na to. So, maglakad po tayo paikot. Punta dyan. So, like a square. So, right now, tama ba yung oras na yan? Really? Wala pang alas 10. Quarter to. So, ang dami po talagang berries. Tsaka malalaki nga dahil nga sunod-sunod yung ulan. At hindi naman devastating yung ulan. So, kaya lumaki po yung berries niya. Kumbaga po ay nakatanggap po ng water, enough water. Lately, like after 2 days, may ulan ng konti. Tapos spotted lang po, area lang. So, I think they trim it. Pero sa sobra pong dami ng berries at bigat ng berries, talaga po yung kanyang mga sanga, talaga na gano'n na. So, ginawa nila, inano pa nga nila parang tinalian para naka-hold. So, kasi hindi naman po siya puno. Kumbaga parang bush lang siya. So, kaya yung kanya pong stalk ay hindi po yung makapal na ganito. Maliliit lang po siya. Okay, tututo po kayo. Okay, paliko na po ako dito. Dito lang, kahit umupo ka lang dito at kumain muna, oh. So, dati po wala po silang coffee last year na nag-start. Siguro naisip nila, baka may nag-suggest. So, yan, tinitriman lang yan nila. Pero, according to the owner, this is already, what? 70 years old? Matanda na po itong na to. Yung iba matanda na yung puno, especially yung dito. Pero yung doon po may mga bago pong tanim, hindi po kataasan, mga hanggang bewang po lang, mataas ng konti. So alanganin pa po, kaya tingnan niyo po, wala pong gaano, not much on the ground. Kasi it takes, I think, 2 to 3 days. Need 2 to 3 days more na ma-ripe na siya. Akala niyo po ripe yan, blue yan, pero hindi yan ripe. Kasi pag pinitas mo yan dyan at medyo may pink yan sa may stalk niya, hindi po yan hinog. Ito, ganito, yan ang hinog. Wala siyang pink. That's it for today. Kita-kits po tayo sa susunod na video. Bye for now. See you next year. Dito po ulit. Pero ang dami pong pumupunta dito sa iba't ibang lugar. Iba galing pa ng south. Okay guys, ayan.